Well, hello guys and hi everyone, this is Chayan from quickpreview.in and I wanna show you the Saint Primo app. Firstly, I wanna wish you happy Diwali and I hope that everything is going good inside your life, though sometimes it is not possible for everyone because bad and the good, both of them are part of our life. So inside this video I want to show you Saint Primo, the amazing autoresponder, the cheapest autoresponder. Inside the $17 you are getting Saint Primo. Let me show you the tool and I want to give you the overviews. Like I don't want to explain all of the features, like I know that you know better than me the features if you are doing email marketing. I am not a email marketing guy, but there was a time when I was using GetResponse. Let me show you the pricings of GetResponse. So GetResponse is no doubt a good email autoresponder, but the pricing, when you see the pricing is also good, but when you compare it with another autoresponder, then autoresponder like Saint Primo, then you should choose Saint Primo. That is my thinking about this tool. Okay, this tool will cost you $17 for one time for the front end. Inside front end you are getting much more than this. Okay, the sales funnel, one sales funnel, landing page, sign up forms, autoresponder, website building, email marketing, and $12 and 30 cents per month, and list size is $1,000 email. So inside plus this is the pricing for GetResponse, and inside Saint Primo there is no boundation of the list size. You can get unlimited email list. You can build your email list in an unlimited way. So that is why I am recommending Saint Primo, and also it will cost you for one time. You don't have to pay, don't have to go with the subscription model. Instead of that you have to go with one-time payment feature with this tool, and that is the most amazing part of this tool. So inside the features I want to show you the list. Once you have started using this tool, your list will be appearing here, and among the list you can just use the sequence feature, and you can send email, the broadcasting feature also. You can send email by using the broadcasting feature according to your list. And the next thing is the campaign. Inside all campaigns, your campaigns will be available here, and you can click on create new. Let me show you, though that is meaningless to show you any campaign, but I am showing you the campaign. So this is the campaign details, and the open rate, click rate, the progress of the campaign will be appearing here. And next thing is the templates can be exported by you inside this tool. You can export here, or you can click the create new. And for the categories also you can use the create new feature, and you can export if you want to export any categories. And apart from that, you can integrate your domains. You can use the API key, you can use the sub accounts, and also surveys. I don't know what is surveys, but the tool is self-discoverable. That is the main point, and that is reality. I don't want to waste your time and want to consume your time. I know that this tool is self-discoverable. That is why I am just giving you the overview of this tool. This tool will cost you only $17, and believe me, inside $17 they are giving you all possible features. So 30 days no satisfaction money back guarantee is available, and these are the features. And also you can go through the demo video to know the quick snap of this tool, to get the quick features that is given inside this demo video. And also the key benefits, there are enormous key benefits, there are so many key benefits. And also the amazing features, and also the discount coupon code is Saint Primo VIP. So this is the discount code. You can get $3 discount. If you want to do so, you can do that. And also the bonuses, let me show you now the bonuses, the main part, also one of the main parts, or you can say the pillars. So these are the bonuses that I am giving you with this tool, totally free. From every field, from every aspect, you are getting the bonuses, like from TikTok marketing to amazing 10K blueprint, also the commission machine, the alpha app, and also extreme app, whiteboard stuff, that is also given to you. So total 29 bonuses will be given to you inside the front end, and there are some amazing vendor bonuses also. I have mentioned here the vendor bonus that comes by default with this tool. So these are the vendor bonuses. there are so many vendor bonuses, and that is not a little thing. You can see here 30 vendor bonuses will be delivered to you instantly after purchase of this tool SendPrimo. And next thing is the upsell bonus. If you go through the upsells apart from the front end, you have to go through the front end to get the upsells, and if you do so, you will be given the upsell bonuses that comes with the mega bonus that consists with 400 plus stuffs. So that's all I wanna say. I wanna give you the awareness of the stuffs. So you can click any of the buttons on this page, you will be sent to this sales page. From this exact sales page you can get SendPrimo within $17, or you can use the coupon code. Don't forget to do that and get it inside $14 inside the launch period. So have a good day. Thank you again and happy Diwali, and I hope everything is going good inside your life. Bye bye. Me Charan Sarkar here signing out.